Okay, if you see in the code YDIS .1 OBD .0, if you're seeing that, well, you can try my resetting, but I'm finding it's not working on a few of them because the housing is blowing from salt water and grabbing the impeller and stopping the engine from turning. This usually happens when you've been sitting it around maybe a week, 2 weeks, a month, 6 months, and you go to start it and it won't start because this thing is swollen and grabbed the impeller. And so all you're hearing is click, 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 click. Try your alarm, do my factory reset, have a look at VXR. If that doesn't get it going, sometimes they're stuck in forward. So you got to do the factory reset because it won't start in gear because it'll take off. It's got to start in neutral with the bucket in neutral position. But this is what I'm finding. The impeller is stuck in the housing. So have a look at that first. Usually a big rust mark you'll see. It's not hard to pull the shaft out with the housing. It's only a couple of bolts and hoses. Look, I can do it in 5 minutes. I've done it that much. It's got quick release fittings on the everything except the steering. On the steering, you got to undo the nut, 10 mil, and just pop it up. Don't forget to feed it back through the bucket housing. Otherwise, you're going to pull it apart again if you don't feed the steer cable. Anyway, you'll work it out. But thanks for watching. That's the biggest problem.